go rent a car right now. We're taking a little road trip because we originally had flights booked, but Karol G decided to move her day earlier, so now we had to lose out on the flight and now we are driving there. But it's okay because I hate flying and we get to listen to her album and memorize these lyrics before.
Probably. Usually when you guys get rain, we get it too.
We just got to the hotel. We're ready to get some drinks in us before the concert. And I'm trying to drink some water beforehand because I get so sick so easily. I like my drink strong. Okay, not that strong. Wow. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's try it.
Is it weak?
Oh, it's good. Time to get ready. This is the before. I'll see you guys once I'm done getting ready. This is the fit, denim on denim. I was inspired by one of her concerts where she wore denim on denim. What do you guys think? So now let's get ready to go to the concert. Oh shit. Something I always like to do is get a little travel cup, pour some alcohol in there because they be playing you with the alcohol over there. They give you fruity drinks with pure soda and no alcohol. I'll probably just like put it in here somewhere and we'll see if we could sneak it into the concert. Let the walk begin. Are you excited to see La Bichota?
What song are you looking forward to?
Gucci Los Baños.
What else?
Poner la nalga tuerquear. All of them.
I want to hear Amargura actually. I'm excited for that one too.
We're running late, guys. We are hiking over here to the stadium. Because no Ubers take you there. I see it. This is kind of good lighting though, huh? We're here in the concert. Just got done with the concert. I am so sad because she didn't sing two of my favorite songs on the album that this was for. The name of her album is Mañana Será Bonito. Literally there's one song on it with that title and she didn't even sing that song. Like, I'm shook. She sang every other song on the album. I was a little bummed about that. But now we're walking back. We're rolling in deep. This is the hotel we're staying at. Thank God. We could just walk. Ooh, hot dogs. These are fire. Good morning. It's the next day and now we are going to go to a buffet. We're gonna get some food. Thankfully, I don't feel sick at all. I felt like I started feeling it a little, but then I started chugging water and I woke up good. Yeah, we're gonna go to a buffet. A lot of people hate on buffets, but I love Vegas buffets. And then we have two friends that are flying in today, so then we're gonna meet up with them after. Downstairs to the pool. This is the pool fit. We're gonna meet up some friends that came from LA, so we're gonna meet up with them right now. Let's go to the pools. We met up with our friends. Cheers. It is hot out here. We just got back from the pool and I'm pretty lit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm taking some electrolytes. Frankie, what do you suggest? Like, do you think
I think you need a cold shower.
Okay.
Right? Get rehydrated because alcohol will dehydrate you, right?
Facts.
You might need a nap,
Citrulite.
but we'll see what that is.
Citrulite added.
Okay.
Oh, was that your stomach?
No, that was...
You need
That's not my stomach, no.
Oh. Like, I won't do well. Would you agree, Frankie?
I agree.
Well, that was too fast. Like, why would you say that?
Because you're already feeling something.
Well,
so
what happened?
You would probably be a party pooper. You would want to come home already. Come back to the room.
A party pooper? Never. Jamás. Never.
Oh,
Never.
Okay.
Why is everyone calling me a party
Let's see.
pooper, though, for real?
Right now, let's
This
see if you
has
make
to
it.
Stop. Can someone put some respect on my name?
All right.
So I'm gonna drink these electrolytes and I will be in good shape. So let's go. I am meeting my friends at the casino. Literally just got ready in like 30 minutes. And here is the look. I feel like I put myself pretty good together considering how lit I am. I'm still not okay, but you know what? gonna make it work. Going to the casino. I'm gonna meet my friends. So yeah, we'll see what we do tonight. I think we're gonna go to dinner and then go out. Pray for me. We ordered room service. Let me show you what I got. Chicken strips, ranch is a must, and ketchup. Okay.
That room's a mess.
I know.
We're gonna have a lot to clean up.
No one look at the room, please. I am so annoyed. Yesterday we went out and we got lit. We were at the pool, then we had to come back and get ready. I was so lit while getting ready. I just was like doing whatever. And then I see video clips looking back. I wasn't even getting the glue on the eyelash really. I stuck it on. Tell me why I go out that whole night and I come back and I remember looking in the mirror. My eyelashes were half off. I was like, oh my God, I hope I wasn't like this a whole night. I hope it was just the end of the night. Woke up the next morning and then I was looking back at the videos at the club. I was like singing and with my eyelashes off. I'm like, damn, no one told me anything. People just let me walk around with these lashes. Now I'm gonna go ask my friend, girl, did you see anything and not tell me? Because how was I looking this crazy all night? You know when you think you look cute? I thought I looked cute. And then you come back with those busted eyelashes. I'll put a little footage. Anyways, I'm gonna do better today, okay? I need people to know that I can slay. If anyone saw, I need people to get that picture out of their head. I feel like that's kind of an ick. If anyone sees, it's like, that's an ick. Whatever. You know what? It was because I was having a good time. Okay, see you later.
How much is that?
That's over 96 ounces of beer.
Did you guys know
28
that?
ounces?
Did you guys know that?
Damn, bro.
I don't know. I don't know how you guys are gonna. Who do you think is going to win? You?
Why should I do that? I'm not even taking it serious right now.
I
I'm just sitting-
mean, literally, I'm looking at the score and you have 3 points.
Yeah, because I'm not really focused on it. I'm just trying to hit it. But if you guys want me to get more points, I will.
Okay.
Okay.
I want you to get more
Record
points.
this right now.
Okay, I am ready to go out. I'm putting you guys on a little tripod, but we are going to a night swim party. It's like neon colors, so here's the fit. I can't show you. I'm excited because it's Latin night tonight, so I'm ready to get it poppin'. But we have an early flight, so I'm gonna try not to get too crazy. Don't judge me, I slept with my makeup on. We literally only have had 4 hours of sleep. Let me see, what time did we get home? Like 4 hours of sleep. I'm gonna fly home, I'll take it home, I'm gonna shower and do all that. Say hi. Did you have a good time?
Flying devices must be switched over to airplane mode.
Is this too early, huh?
If it's turned on.
But I will say this, I would not want to drive back right now.
Yeah.
Did you have fun on your trip to Vegas?
I had a lot of fun. And now we're flying back with Spirit Airlines.
There's a big ad right there.
Oh,
For you.
I can't even hide that. We're flying Spirit. Okay, that was the only flight available. Actually, it was the cheapest.
So yeah, you enjoyed your trip?
For departure, please check to take
So
off
we
the
are
bag
going
under the seat.
home sweet home. I just took off my makeup. I'm gonna unpack, shower, relax. Let me know if you guys like these vlogs, and thank you guys for watching.